Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are still learning ayah number 43 and 44 of Surat An-Nisa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم حتى يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقربوا الصلاة وأنتم سكارى حتى تعلموا ما تقولون ولا for circular lips for top and jaws, la 2 counts long, ju for the circular lips, nu for the circular lips, the sound is short, ban ibkhar, the ruling is idhar, but safa is tawassut, ban il, hamza is very sharp, there is no flow of sound for kasra, give e sound attached with lam, lam will get safa, tawassut il, and then it is 2 counts, la, ain from your throat, and it is 2 counts long. B for kasra, give e sound. Ri, ra is light and make it 2 counts long. Se, for fatha open jaws, the sound is very short. B 2 counts long. Lin, sifa is tawassut, but ruling is idhar. Lin, had, ha from your throat, for fatha open your jaws, attach it ta. Ta will get sifa of shidda. There is no flow of sound whatsoever. Hat, and then it is 2 counts long. Ta, taw. Ta is very sharp of a top on jaws attached with ghain. Ghain will get rahawa, and it is heavy. The sound should flow. Taw, ta. That is very sharp, no flow of sound for fatha on your jaws. C for kasra, give E sound. Lu for the circular X, make it 2 counts long. Even you are stopping here, giving buff, the sound will be same, because when mud letter is at the end, you are not changing it at all. You are saying it the same way it is. Tasilu. Wa for wow circular lips, for fatha open jaws. In for kasra, give e sound. Hamza is very sharp, and give ikhfa. Your lips should be in a straight position when you are giving ikhfa. Wa in kun for the circular lips, and give ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light too, so your tongue should be in a straight position. Kuntum for the circular lips, and this is إخفاء إدغام شفوي. You are merging this meme into this meme, so there should be a nice gunna here, because this is akmal gunna here. Tum for meme will be light, for fatha upon your jaws attached with the raw will be heavy, and raw will get tawassut. Maw, do is 4 counts long. Ow, hamza is very sharp for the open jaws, and make it 2 counts long, because this is lean. Ow. Ain from your throat, for the open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Se, seen is very sharp, seen is short, for the open your jaws. F, give hams in fa, for the open jaws. Erin, ibkhar, ruling is idhar, but sifat is tawassut. Rin, au, hamza is very sharp of a top, and jaws attach it wow, and give it 2 counts long, because this is lean. Ja, this is mad muttasil wajib, so make it 4 counts long. Ja, hamza is very sharp of a top, open your jaws. Hamza is very sharp of a top, open jaws. Ha, sound is short. Ha, dun idgham with gunna. This gunna is akmal, so give a very nice time here. Dum, ming. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, and this sounds like ink, right? Whenever this ikhfa is because of this kaf, so give this sound ming, ming, aha, dum, ming, kum, for the circle lips, and there is idgham shafawi, kum, then there will be idgham and gunna will be longer because this gunna is akmal gunna. Kummi for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attached. Lam will get sifa off. Tawassut. Nal. Ghain is heavy and make it 2 counts long. E for kasra give e sound. Li. Ta is heavy for kasra give e sound and the sound is very short. Ow. It is 2 counts long at it because this is lean. Ow. La 2 counts long. Mas for fatha open jaws, don't miss this part for opening your jaws because that will affect the pronunciation. So open your jaws here and then attach it. Seen. Mas and give Rakhawa and Safir on C. So the sound will not stop. Mas tu for the circular lips. Mun for the circular lips attached with noon. Noon gets sifa of unna. Munni for kasra give e sound. The sound is very short. Sa a hamza is very sharp. Fa for fa give hams for fatha upon your jaws. Lam for fatha upon your jaws. Then attach with meme and we will get sifa of the wasut. Lam ta is very sharp sound. There is no flow of sound. And for fatha upon jaws, the sound is very short. Ta ji for kasra give e sound. Do for the circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Ma 4 counts long. And this is ikhfa. So for this ikhfa, you are ready to pronounce fa after that. So your upper teeth should be about to touch lower lip. Ma fa. Then give hums on fa, and for fatha upon your jaws, the sound with fatha is very short. Ta, very sharp sound, no flow of sound. And for fatha upon jaws, yeah, is very soft. You're lifting your tongue up to touch the palate, but you're not touching it. That is making ya very soft sound. For fatha upon your jaws, attach with meme, you will get sipa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so give a very nice gunna here. And what gunna is? Gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. Yam, and for fatha open jaws, ma, mu for the circle lips. Slot is heavy for fatha open jaws. I 2 counts long. Dung. This is a heavy ikhfa, so your tongue should the root of your tongue should be lifted up towards your palate to create this ikhfa. Dung. Ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws. Why? And giving nabar on ya because whenever ya is with tashdid, it has nabar. Why? And then kasra is very short, e, and very soft. Bang, ikhfa. And this ikhfa is because of fa, so you are about to say fa, and your upper 2 teeth are about to touch the lower lip when you are creating this fa ikhfa. Ba, fam, give hums in fa and then attach with meme, you will get sip after wasut. Fam, se, seen is very short sound for fatha open jaws. Who from your throat and make it 2 counts long, circular lips. B for kasra, give E sound. Woo for wow, circular lips. Ju 2 counts long and make circular lips. He for kasra, give E sound. For the circular lips attached with me will get sip off the wasut. Kum, we for wow, circle your lips, for fatha, open your jaws. I, Hamza is very sharp, for fatha, open your jaws, attached with ya. Ya will be very soft because you're lifting your tongue up it, but you're not touching it. That is making ya very soft sound. I, and this is thin, so make it 2 counts long. I, D, this is long vowel, so make it 2 counts long. Kum, for the circle lips attached with meme, will get sip off the wasut, and your lips should be in a straight position when you are hitting meme. Kum, in, Hamza is very sharp, attached with noon will get sip off. Unna, in, fatha is very short. Lafz jilala will be heavy because of this fatha. Now, keep noon light, but lafz jilala heavy. Now, oh, 2 counts long. Short. Kaf is light and make it 2 counts long. Na, short. Ain from your throat for fatha, open jaws. Foo. This is nabar. Foo. One ruling is if hard, but sifat tawasut. One ghain from your throat. Fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Gho, foo, for the circle ears, make it 2 counts long. Ra, 2 counts long. Ghafura. حتى تعلموا ما تقولون ولا جنوبا إلا عابري سبيل حتى تغتسلوا وإن كنتم مرضى أو على سفر أو جاء أحد منكم من الغائط أو لامستم النساء فلم تجدوا ماء فتيمموا صعيدا صعيدا طيبا فامسحوا بوجوهكم وأيديكم إن الله كان عفوا غفورا إن الله كان عفوا غفورا. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws. Lam for fatha open your jaws. Attached meme you get sifa of the wasut. Ta is very sharp. No pull off sound. For fatha open jaws. Ra for raw fatha. Make raw heavy for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. E Hamza is very sharp. No flow of sound. For kasra give e sound. Lal for fatha open your jaws. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Lal. And then fatha is very short. La. The 2 counts long. Na short. Ooh. For the circle your lips. Make it 2 counts long. Two circle your lips. Make it 2 counts long. Na. Na is very short sound for fatha open jaws. Slee. Slot is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. Bam, idgham with gunna, so keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Bam, mi, for kasra give e sound. Nal, for fatha open your jaws attached with lam, lam will get sip of tawassut. Nal, ki, for kasra give e sound. Ta is very sharp sound, no flow of sound, and make it 2 counts long. Ta, bi, for kasra give e sound. Yes, keep ya very soft for fatha open jaws attached to sheen. Sheen will get sifa of raqawa and tafashi. The sound should flow very nicely. Yes, ta Ta is very sharp sound, no flow of sound whatsoever for fatha upon jaws. Ru, ro is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Not keep noon light, but dod heavy, and dod will get istiqala, and it has rakhawa. No, no. This sound should flow here. No, and then fatha is very short. La, la, 2 counts long. La, this is short. Ta, no flow of sound. Very sharp sound for fatha open jaws. The sound is very short. Wa, for wow circular lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. U, ya is very soft letter. For dhamma circular lips, the sound is very short. Ri, keep it all light and make it 2 count long. Do, for dhamma circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Ta, ta is very sharp sound, no flow of sound for fatha open jaws. Sound is very short. Lil, for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Lil, loose, for dhamma circular lips attached with seen. Seen will get sifa of rafawa. Loose, and there will be safir, loose, and then fatha is very short. Sabil, make it 4 counts long, and then give sakoon, because you are giving sabak here. You have given this lam temporary sakoon. This temporary sakoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, and this is called mad arad lis sakoon. ألم تر إلى الذين أوتوا نصيبا من الكتاب يشترون الضلالة ويريدون أن تضلوا السبيل. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.